Have you ever seen the sky turn dark? Felt a strong wind shake the trees? Heard thunder boom, or seen a twister in the news? That's severe weather, the most powerful forces of nature on Earth. In this episode, we're diving into the science behind hurricanes, typhoons, tornadoes, thunderstorms, and more. Ready to storm through science? Let's go! Thunderstorms, the start of the storm party. A thunderstorm is more than just rain and lightning, it's a full-on weather event. Here's how it forms. The sun heats up the ground. Warm air rises and carries moisture up into the sky. That moisture cools and forms big, fluffy clouds. Inside the clouds, water and ice bump around, building electricity. That electricity is released as lightning. The sudden heat from lightning causes thunder, a loud boom. Thunderstorms can bring heavy rain, strong winds, and sometimes even hail, but sometimes they turn into something even stronger. Tornadoes, the sky's spinning funnel. A tornado is a rotating column of air that touches both the cloud above and the ground below. They usually form during powerful thunderstorms, when warm, moist air and cool, dry air collide. If the winds start spinning horizontally and get pulled upright by strong updrafts, they can form a twister. Tornadoes can spin up to 300+ kilometers per hour, destroy buildings, flip cars, and uproot trees. Last just a few minutes, or over an hour. Be measured by the EF scale, from EF0 to EF5. They're most common in the USA, but can happen anywhere the conditions are right. Hurricanes and typhoons, ocean monsters. What's the difference between a hurricane and a typhoon? Actually, they're the same thing, just with different names based on where they form. Hurricanes form over the Atlantic Ocean and Eastern Pacific. Typhoons form over the Western Pacific, like near the Philippines and Japan. In the Indian Ocean, they're called cyclones. So what are they? They are huge storms that form over warm ocean water. How? Warm water heats the air above it. The air rises and creates low pressure. More air rushes in to replace it, and starts to spin because of Earth's rotation. The spinning becomes a tropical cyclone with an eye in the center. As it moves over warm ocean water, it gets stronger and stronger. Hurricanes, typhoons can be over 500-kilometer wide, bring flooding rain, storm surges, and destructive winds, last for days or even weeks. Be measured by the Saffir-Simpson scale, Category 1-5. Fun fact, the Philippines experiences around 20 typhoons every year. Hailstorms, blizzards, and heat waves too? You bet. Hailstorms happen when water freezes in storm clouds and falls as icy balls, sometimes the size of golf balls or even softballs. Blizzards bring strong winds and snow, usually in colder climates. Heat waves are long periods of extremely hot weather, often dangerous for people and crops. Why is this important? Understanding severe weather helps us stay safe during storms, prepare our homes and schools, avoid danger during floods, lightning, or high winds. Study how climate change is making some storms stronger and more frequent. Weather experts, called meteorologists, use satellite data, weather balloons, radar, and models to predict severe weather and save lives. And one day, you could be the scientist helping your country prepare for the next big storm. Safety first. What can you do? Always listen to weather alerts on TV, radio, or your phone. Stay indoors during storms or floods. Avoid touching metal during lightning. Never walk or drive through floodwaters. Have an emergency kit ready with food, water, flashlight, and first aid. Mini quiz. What is the center of a hurricane called? What scale is used to measure tornadoes? What's the difference between a hurricane and a typhoon? Comment your answers below. If this video blew your mind like a Category 5 storm, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss a lesson that rocks your brain. Next time, we'll talk about weather instruments, how scientists actually measure storms before they happen. Until then, stay safe, stay smart, and keep your eyes on the sky.